You couldn't believe your eyes. She said, I knew you when